Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hirah Dilshad, and today I'm going to be presenting my Business Intelligence Professional Certificate that I received from Coursera. So basically, this certificate had 3 courses, which were Foundation of Business Intelligence, the Path to Insight Data Models, and Pipeline Decisions Dashboard and Reports. We'll start with the first one. So in module 1 of the course, we covered several key concepts crucial for our understanding business intelligence or BI. These include learning outcomes such as understanding the role of BI in organization, identifying the tools used by BI analyst, and differentiating between the data analyst and BI analysts. BI analysts are employed by various types of organizations ranging from large corporation to small business across industries like financial, healthcare, retail, technology essentials, essentially any organization that relies on data decision making. This role of BI within organization is to transform data into actionable insights that can drive strategic decisions. BI analysts and engineering typically work on tasks such as data collection and analysis, reporting, ensuring that stakeholder can have information they need to make informed. Professionals often collaborate with various team members, including data scientists, its specialists, business manager, and data engineers. That these collaborations are essential for providing necessary input or partnering on technological solution or enhanced BI process. Understanding the difference between analytics and BI. BI is crucial while data analysts focus on analyzing raw data to find patterns and insights. BI encompasses of broader scope, including data collection, analysis, and strategic application of insight to drive business decisions. BI can be broken down into 3 strategies: capturing, analysis, and monitoring. First, data is captured from various source. Next is analysis to generate insight. Finally, these insights are monitored to ensure they are effectively driving business. Business professionals play a vital role in creating an effective BI strategy that involves understanding business needs, selecting appropriate tools and technology, and ensuring that the BI system aligns with organization goal to provide meaningful insight. Now here's the quiz where I basically score 90%, and here was my solution. I got this question wrong, actually half of it wrong, then here it is. Now we'll take a look at the module 2. So in module 2, we began by understanding the different types of BI stakeholders. These stakeholders can include executive manager, data scientists, that is professionals, and end user. Identifying the particular goals and acquiring of each stakeholders is crucial. For example, executive may focus on high level insights for strategic decision making, while managers might need detailed reports for operational improvement. Now we'll take a look at the quiz of module 2. Here's my solution. I got this one wrong, and the other week. So in module 3, we focus on how to anticipate the limitation of data and ensure these limitations do not detract from the stakeholders. It's important to recognize potential issues and address them to maintain the integrity of usefulness of the data. Some common limitations of data include incomplete data, data inaccuracies, and biases. Being aware of these limitations helps in developing strategies to mitigate their impacts, such as using data validation technique and across steering multiple data sources. It's essential to verify that data has a clear purpose and is actionable. Tracking data mainly for the sake of having more information can be counterproductive. Instead, focus on metric that this involves understanding the context of the data, identifying trend, and translating these findings into actionable recommendations. We'll take a look at the quiz of the module 3, in which I score 100%, and here's my solution. Module 4, we begin by identifying the key features and attribute of a portfolio project. A strong portfolio project should showcase your BI skills, including data analysis, visualization, and problem solving. It should also be well documented, highlighting the methodology and tools used. Portfolio can be incredibly beneficial in a job search. They provide concrete evidence of your skills and accomplishment, making you stand out to potential employers. A well-crafted portfolio can demonstrate your expertise, creativity, and ability to deliver impactful BI solution. Responding to the information contained in strategy document is crucial for beginning a BI project. This involves understanding the strategic goals of organization and aligning your BI efforts to support these objectives. It sets the foundation for a successful project by ensuring that your work is relevant. At the end of this course, we were basically given a project in which we had two scenarios. First, we had a cycle scenario, and then we had the Google scenario. Our scenario, so I went with the cyclist scenario, and since this is the first course, so in this case we'll be doing the project planning. We were given the task and I completed it using, and now you can see. So basically I had to fill up these three forms which are here. First form is stakeholder requirements document. So first we write the BI professional name, then the client sponsor of the business problem stakeholders, stakeholder usage detail, primary requirements, and then in the second document, which was project requirement document, we had to write the BI analyst name, client sponsor purpose, key dependencies, stakeholder requirements, success criteria, user journey assumptions, and privacy accessibility. And lastly in document 3, which was strategy document, is for the director or to whom it is concerned. First, there is a sign of matrix followed by the sponsor status. Primary set data sets the secondary data sets, the user profiles, this dashboard functionality matrix. Then moving back, here is my completion certificate for this. Now we'll move towards the course 2, which is the path to insights, data models, and pipelines. So in this course, we have 4 modules. We'll discuss each module in detail, starting with the first one. So in this module, we have several fundamental concepts essential for understanding and working databases. First, we identify and define key databases, modules, and schemas. Databases can be structured in various ways, with the most common models being rational document, key values, common family, and graph database. Rational databases like MySQL and PostSQL use tables to present data, and relationship document databases such as MongoDB. Next, we accesses which databases design patterns and schemas appropriate for different types of data. The choices depends on various factors, including the nature of the data query patterns and scalability requirements. For example, a rational database is ideal for structured data with clear relationship, whereas document databases is better for semi-structured data that might evolve over time. We also discuss the data model alternatives that are optimal performant and adhere to reporting requirements considering current data size and growth. Choosing the right modules can significantly performance and scalability factors such as data volume, growth rate, and complexity of queries play a crucial role in determining the best data models of the crucial concept we cover in ETL, which stands for extract, transform, load, is process that involves extracting data from sources, transforming it to fit operational needs, and loading it to target database, ETL. ETL is essential for data integration and is widely used in data warehousing and analytical. Identifying key information from stakeholders is crucial for creating an effective data pipelines. This step involves close collaboration with business, user data engineers, and analysts to gather comprehensive requirements. We also explore different types of data pipelines. These include B processing, real-time streaming, and hybrid pipelines batch. Pipelines process data at scheduled intervals. Real-time pipelines process data as it arrives, and hybrid pipelines combine both approaches to be drives. Now, finally, analysis enable driving insights from the data. To sum up, the data pipelines is to serve a process that automate the movement and transformation of data from various sources of destination of the primary objective or to ensure data quality. Now we'll take a look at the quiz of this module, and here I score 87.5% in this quiz, and here is my solution. Now moving towards module 2 of this course. So in the second module, we focus on the details of creating and maintaining ET processes and discussed about understanding various data storage and instruction tools, optimizing databases, performances, and more. First, fix pro strategies to create an ETL process that meets organization and stakeholders' need, and how to maintain its efficiently. A successful ETF process requires through planning and deep understanding of data. And requirement key strategies include defining data objectives and choosing the right tools, ensuring data quality, and setting up monitoring and maintenance routine. Next, we delve into different data storage and extraction process and tools for extraction and loading tools like stitch segments and 5TR are commonly used. These tools help in seamlessly moving data from various sources into your data warehouse. Data transformation tools like DBT, Airflow, and we also cover how to optimize when building new tables. Proper indexing, partitioning, and choosing the right data types are essential steps in the process. These optimization helps in improving query performance and ensuring efficient storage utilization, identifying and describing where new tabs can fit in pipeline. Scholar databases are designed for read-heavy operation, whereas relation databases are versatile for various queries. Understanding the importance of databases performances and optimization is key efficient database. Now we'll take a look at the quiz for this module, in which I scored 87.5, and here is my solution. Now let's move towards module 3 of the course. So the module 3 focuses on ETL process, quality testing, data schema, validation, and performance testings. First, we revisit the strategies to create an ETL process that meet organizational and stakeholder needs, and how to maintain it efficiently. Our well-designed ETL process ensures data is accurately and efficiently moved from source to destination. Key strategies, which also include understanding the data flow, automating process where possible, and regular monitoring ETL process to catch and address issues earlier. We then introduced we were then introduced to some of the popular tools used in ETL process. These tools help in extracting, performing, and loading data efficiently. Commonly used tools include Talent Informatica, Apache, and Microsoft DSS. These tools offer features that streamline the ETF process, handle large volume of data, and provide robust error handling mechanism. Understanding the primary goal of quality testing is crucial. The main objective is to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and reliability through EF process. This involves validation data at each stage of ETL process and extraction of to loading to ensure it meets the requirement, standards, and business rules. We also learned about the primary goals of data schema validation. This process ensures the structure of the data is correct and adhere to predefined schemas. Validation check for correct data types, mandatory fees, and relationship between different data entities to prevent data integrity issues. Developing best practice for ETL quality testing and data schema validation. Now we'll take a look at the quiz of this module, in which I score 85%. And here's the solution that I got. Yeah, one's wrong. And in module 4, we focuses on identifying business needs and discuss design databases as a scheme and developing and optimized data pipelines. First, we learn how to identify business needs to determine design for our portal profile data pipelines. Understanding the business requirements is crucial for creating an effective data pipelines. This involves gathering requirements for stakeholders, understanding the data sources, and defining that the data delivered goes by aligning the pipeline design with business needs, ensure it meets the desired outcome and adds value. Next, we analyze how database systems are designed. Key steps in the process include selecting appropriate database model, designing schemas that support efficient data retrieval, and ensuring data integrity and consistency. Additionally, we explored how to optimize the system to maximize the performance. Then we move on to developing a data pipelines to deliver necessary data to a target table. This involves several series from extracting data from a source to transforming it and finally loading it into the target destination. So the first step is extracting data, then the second step is transforming data, and lastly the third step is loading data. This course once again had a course project, and I went ahead with the cyclist scenario, in which basically first we had to run the SQ query given to us. Now moving towards the third course, which is the last course of the certification, that is decisions, dashboard, and reports. So this course had total 6 modules, and we'll start with the first module. In module 1, we learned how to visualize, transform raw data into many sites, enabling informed business decisions. Creating effective visualization involves balancing clarity, accuracy, and aesthetics. Little mockups have planned impact visualization. Basically, it's important since first week used. We need to get the approval from the stakeholders. Before we start with the dashboard, in which I explore tools like Power BI and Google Data Studio, each offering dynamic and interactive capabilities. Well-designed dashboard answers specific business questions and drives strategic decisions through effective messaging. I also created a mockup to understand the importance of layout and alignment with business objectives. And lastly, we have a quiz in which I score 92.85%. allows us to proactively address challenges such as data availability and technical constraints to provide answers to key business questions. We must carefully select and present relevant dashboard information considering audience context and desired outcome. Scalability to crucial planning for it ensures that the dashboard can grow with organization. Balancing the detail is essential for meaningful insights without overwhelming users with strategies like optimizing processing speed and setting privacy restrictions. Safe data integrity. Ultimately, our goal is to translate business needs into actionable dashboard. Parameters driving informed decision making. At the end of the module, we had a quiz, and here is my solution where I scored 93.7%, in which I got half of the wrong and the others were correct. Now, moving towards the module 3. So, in module 3, we delve into the art of crafting dashboards and resonate with stakeholders and drive into informed decision making understanding. Stakeholders' needs is vital guiding for design choice to ensure alignment with their expectation and business challenges. Effective data visualization and backbone of dashboard requiring careful selections of chart types, color, and labels to enhance understanding dynamic dashboard with real-time and interactive elements empower user to explore data, uncover valuable insights, fostering engagement, applying decision best practice such as logical organization and consistent formatting result in visually appealing and initiative dashboard. Ultimately, our goal is to demonstrate insights and impactful effectively communicating key findings to drive informed decision making and business success. And we had a course for this module in which has SC 100%, and here's my solution. Now moving towards the fourth module of the course. In the fourth module, we focuses on effective communicating data insights to stakeholder, preparing presentations, and enhancing our professional profile in BI. Effective communication with stakeholders is a paramount and empowering them to make informed decisions that drive business success. Presenting dashboard insights skillfully and invaluable for providing updates, answers, questions, and making forecast engaging stakeholders and meaningful to see. At the end of this module, I had a quiz in which I scored 87.5, and here is my solution. And in this I score this much, and the rest of the solution was correct. A few of them were wrong. Now moving towards the fifth module. So in module 5, we had to work on project. Just like the previous module, we were given scenarios in which I went ahead with the cycle scenarios. So what we have to do was, the first step was to draw the data from the course project of the previous course. Then we had to create a mockup as discussed earlier in module 1, where we just draw and get the proof from the stakeholders, then create charts, and then organize the dashboard according to mockups and the feedback from the stakeholders. Similarly, that we did was, so basically I lost my access to a big query page and a bucket, so I'm giving my demo of my project through this article. I found a medium. It's for the same cause, the cycle scenario, where first we did, what we did was design some mockups just to get approval from the stakeholders. Once the approval was approved, these are the markup, and then we loaded the data as discussed earlier into the table of visualization and worked on creating dashboards. I'll show how the dashboards work. So for example, here we have a dashboard which is designed according to the mockup shared earlier. So first we have summer TRS page where we have the map and the table for it. Then we have year over year trends where we have the table for seasonality and neighborhood for 2019 or 2019. And over here we have listed subscribers and customers, and we can further apply filters based on the year. Here is a bit lag. And lastly we had the third page, which is a stop station. First we have by starting station by destination station, where we have listed the zip code, neighborhood. And so moving back here, my completion certificate for this course, where I completed the entire courses, which is also verified. So this is my entire certification for the Coursera Google Business Intelligence professional certificate. Thank you.